can't see anything.
I can't see anything.
I can't see anything, just darkness.
I can't see anything.
Ooh.
Little Scientist workshops changed my thinking around STEM and inquiry-based learning. The children can identify that, hey, this is maths, hey, this is technology.
Oh my gosh, I know so much more about it. I feel like the first time I was asked what STEM was, I was like, science. Now I know that there is so much more to it. Little Scientist has really shown that those fundamental learnings of science, technology, engineering and maths are fun.
STEM in early childhood education helps the children to learn it when they come across it when they are older and in school or at uni. They already have the foundation of it.
Hands-on learning is better because it's more fun and you gain a better understanding when you're actually doing it yourself.
I think it's very beneficial for the children heading off to school and for the changing world that they have these STEM concepts, because these are what they're going to need for the future.
They're excited by STEM. They're excited to learn new things and try new things. So it's not a chore for them to understand maths or a chore to understand fundamentals of science. So I really feel now that I've been to the Little Scientists training and experienced, it really opened my eyes to the fact that STEM is everywhere.
I would recommend the Little Scientists program. It's a great initiative.
I didn't think I could enjoy STEM topics at first, but now I'd never turn back. I love STEM.